expected is the most external surface or area. The potential to serve the orientation of the muscle here is more transversely oriented. Suppose expected tension should be oblique niya. Oblique niya. So, looking from the face niya. So if ever in any orientation, there should be transversal above that any orientation. But the location that you say, it should be external measure, it should be the external oblique. But it's aware of one, and this white one, you have your transversal. So, when you have you have your internal oblique. And you have your rectus abdominis, you have your intersection,
linea alba umbilical, linea semilunaris.
The back, this one, you have your
Transversal abdominis.